Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're still working on the big clear cut track, well, the super cool clear cut hardwood track. This video we're going to be riding with Mickey on the 234B loader. I would love to get some in-cab shots with him. They're very hard to get for two reasons. One, the inside of that loader has a lot of plastic and I use magnetic mounts, so it's going to be very difficult to get a good shot in the cab with him. And two, he's usually really busy, and where I can stick the camera here, I can just literally walk up to it, have it turned on, and stick it to the loader and walk away. I don't have to interfere with his work anymore. That's one of the big things with doing the YouTube channel is I have to minimize my footprint on the job with YouTube, because the job pays the bills first here. But anyway, we're gonna be loading the big logs. This is gonna be a pine load. I believe they might have been chit-chatting back and forth on the CB there. I'm not sure what was going on here, why the pause, but anyway, they're probably discussing how this load needed to be loaded, or nope, Mickey wanted him to come back some more and he might not have been in the truck. But anyway, we're going to be loading a load of pine. This is going to our OSB pulpwood mill. Everything that you see being loaded will be pulpwood, due to the fact that this is storm wood. It is busted. It is got what they call tree shake in it, meaning it has the center of the tree is like busted. I'm trying to find the easiest words here to describe it for y'all. But basically, when the wind had these trees all pulled over, if you've ever watched a tree get bent, in a windstorm, that's what happened here, except for a 12-hour period times 2, because we've had 2 hurricanes now. But anyway, two major hurricanes hit our area within a 2-month period. But anyway, if you want a demonstration on that, go outside, find you a small tree, like a 2-inch tree or so, 1-inch diameter tree, and just bow that baby doll over in half, just all but double it, and then listen at the sounds that it makes. And when you turn loose of it, it's not going to stand back up straight like what it was, and that's what's wrong with these trees here. You cannot make lumber out of it. Whenever you hit it with a saw or a blade at a lumber mill, it's going to blow up, and it'll either hurt somebody or damage the mill or something like that, and we don't want any of that. So lumber mills will not buy it to make lumber out of it, since it's being chipped at either place, one to make cardboard container, or this mill that we're sending this particular load to, they make OSB press board with our wood that we send them. Either way, it all gets chipped up first, so it's safe to do that with. But some of these trees here, like this one right here, if I remember right, whenever we were watching the scales over there, this particular tree right here weighed, I believe, 9,600 pounds, so almost 10,000 pounds. As you can see, the loader really didn't want to pick it up. I can't remember what Mickey was doing, if he needed to cut the top off of that or what he was doing. But anyway, yeah, you can kind of watch him work for a minute here and load the truck. And I don't remember the total weight that we put on the truck, but it's somewhere between 92 and 95,000 is that's our kind of average area that we shoot to load our trucks to, because we're I guess I don't know if I should be advertising this, but our legal DOT weight limit is 92,000. We're legal to 100,000 at the mill before we get a weight ticket, but we try to stay right around that 92,000. Sometimes we go a tad over, so hey, that's just part of the game. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video, and y'all make sure y'all go down below and find the link for t-shirts, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see here. This is a kind of a simple video compared to some of what we normally have, but we have, if you're new to the channel, thanks for watching, welcome to it. We're all about logging here. It's pretty well all I post is logging content. We have John Deere products, Tigercat products, chambered eliminator products, Kenworth log trucks, Peterbilt log trucks, Ford service trucks. It's just, you know, we got all kind of cool stuff. So anyway, y'all see the big boss rolling in over there. We're in trouble now. Alright, y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Thank y'all so much. Make sure to go subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff if you got any questions on anything. And until the next video, I appreciate everybody. I'll catch y'all next time.